Class 12th accounts continuation of partnership fundamental. Then see that guarantee of minimum profit. Sometimes a partner is guaranteed that he shall get a certain minimum amount of profit of the firm. Means A will that guarantee that C will get a minimum amount of profit. So just like that we will solve. So guarantee of a minimum profit. So the question number 66 in my textbook, means old textbook 66A. The question is given what A, B, C are the partners. Profit sharing ratio is what 4/7, 2/7 and 1/7. And they given that what the C will get not less than 1,80,000 profit. And the profit for the year is what 10,50,000. So profit and loss appropriation account we are preparing by net profit brought down 10,50,000. And here interest on capital nothing given there. So we write to profit 10,50,000. So 10,50,000 is the profit. We divided what 4:2:1. So 4:2:1 that coming A 6 lakh, 3 B 3 lakh and C 1 lakh, 1,50,000. Then here given A and B guarantee that C will get what how much that profit 1,80,000. So 1,50,000 plus 30,000 we should give. Then only coming how much 1,80,000. So 30,000 who will give A and B will give which ratio? That is 4:2. That means what total is 4:2:1. So A and B will give what 4:2. So 30,000 into 4/6 will A will give B what 30,000 into how much 2/6. So once A will give 20 and B will give 10,000. So we will write what A minus A 6 lakh minus 20,000. How much 5,80,000 and B 3 lakh minus 10,000, 2,90,000 and C what 1,50,000 plus 30,000. So how much 1,80,000. So C what get what all the year will get what 1,80,000. It is borne by who A and B in the ratios we will give. So that is the question what guarantee of a minimum profit. The next that question what 66B. Then there also given A, B, C what the ratio is given 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6. So the denominator are not same. So first we will what we should make the denominator same. So we will take the LCM. How much will come 36. So A is what how much 18:12:6. When we cut we will come what it will come 3:2:1 is the profit sharing ratio. Then the question is given what here also that C will guarantee what 1 lakh. Okay, C we guarantee the profit what every will get 1 lakh. So net profit of the firm is what 5,12,000. And interest on capital also given that in the question. The interest on capital charge how many percentage? 8%. A is what 8 lakh, B is what 6 lakh and C is what 5 lakh is the capital. So we will take the 8%. A is 64,000, B is 48,000 and C is 40,000. So total we write and the profit coming 3,60,000. So 3,60,000 we divided into 3:2:1 divided. A will get what 1,80,000, B will get 1,20,000 and C will get 60,000. Now you see that C A and B guarantee what C will get what every year what how much 1 lakh is the capital. So 40,000 we should plus then only will come 1 lakh. This 40,000 will give by A and B which ratio 3:2 means the total ratio is 3:2:1. So A and B will give 3:2. So 40,000 into 3/5 means 3:2. 5. 3/2 will give A, that is 24,000 and B will give 2/5 60. So 24,000 will minus from the A and B is what 16,000. So 1,80,000 minus 24,000. A is how much will come profit 1,56,000 and B is what 1,20,000 minus 16,000 1,04,000. C we will plus 40,000. So how much will come 1 lakh. So the here the capital are fixed only they written in the question paper. Current account only prepare. So we written a current account, then ABC by interest on capital, that is we have written that 64, 48 and 40. 64,000, 48,000, 40 and the profit what 1,56,000, 1,04,000 and 1 lakh. Then so and drawings given there, interest on drawings not given in the question. Drawings A 2 lakh, B is 2 lakh and C 1 lakh. So we written A first we taught 2 lakh 20 coming. So 20 drawings minus what to balance carried on 20,000 coming AM. Then B is what? Here 2 lakh, here how much will come? Less there. So we return 2 lakh and the balance coming what? 48,000 will come. B debit balance coming. C is total here what? 1 lakh 40. So 1 lakh 40 we are return 1 lakh minus 40. So A and C is what? Balance carried on here coming that and say B's will come here. So that is the question of what? 66B, the guarantee of profit. And the next question is what? Question number 69. The question number 69 in the textbook given that what is A, B, C are the partners. The profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. And A's capital 5 lakh, B's capital 3 lakh, and C's capital 2 lakh. Then A had personally guaranteed that C what? C is the interest on capital 8% and drawings 10,000 and C's capital not less than 1 lakh. Means A only guarantee that C's capital should be not, C's profit should be not less than 1 lakh. So we write first profit and loss appropriation account by net profit brought on 4,32,000. Then interest on capital A, B, C. Interest on capital is what? 8%. And interest on drawings also written 10%. They are given A had withdrawn 5,000 at the end of every month. So interest on drawings of A what? 5,000 at the end of every month. So every month 5,000 into 12. Total how much? 60,000 into 10 upon 100. End of every month. So what will come? 5.5 upon 12. So how much will come? 2750. And B is given. B has withdrawn 15,000 at the end of every quarter. So in 1 year the 4 quarters are there. So 15,000 into 4, 60,000 into 10 upon 100 into, so every quarter, so what will come? 4.5 upon 12 to 2,250. And C withdrawn 16,000 during the year. So 60,000 only he withdraws. So 16,000 into 10 upon 100 into date is not given. So what do we write? 6 upon 12. So 3,000 right. So by interest on drawings A, B, C right. Then interest on capital we find total we are written 4,40,000 minus and coming profit is what? 3,60,000. 3,60,000 we are dividing into 3:2:1. A, B, C. 1,80,000, 1,20,000 and 60 coming. And C is what? Guarantee that every year should get what? 1 lakh. Who is guarantee? A is guarantee that. So 60,000 plus 40 then only coming 1 lakh. So who is guarantee? Only what? A is guarantee that 40,000. So we will minus what? 1,80,000 minus 40 from the A. So how much will come? 1,40,000 A. B is what? 1,20,000 and C is what? 1 lakh. This is the chapter that topic is what? Guarantee of minimum profit. So what any of the partner will guarantee to any partner what minimum that profit should be any year should be this much. So just like you solve now 2-3 question only left in this chapter. So you write that you solve the guarantee of the minimum profit. Any doubt you can ask in the my WhatsApp number. There I will give the solution also. So this chapter complete. You full questions you do. Any doubt you ask. And next class, next chapter we will start. So not to waste the time because the syllabus is very less only reduced in ISC. So that why all the children should learn.